140, Meditations on the Legal System. In any society, it is necessary to follow a certain number of rules. I don't know if I want to continue this one. Those who commit crimes or harmful acts must be punished, and those who behave well should be encouraged. Not really. The system can only function well thanks to laws and those who apply them. If the guardians of justice and morality have no integrity themselves, the system becomes unjust. Is this not exactly what one often sees in some countries where the rich and powerful are not brought to justice or they win their cases easily, while the poor are given heavy punishments? This is sad.